guys, what's up? This is my first time making any computer related videos actually. I'm not prepared at all. And my setup is really weird. I'm using my CRT with my VCR as a camera display monitor here. So I apologize if there is like the high-pitched noise. I hope there isn't. I think this being on tape will actually get rid of that because well, it's tape, and tape audio on VHS is not very cool. Anyways, this is not the machine we're here for. We have other plans. I just thought that was cool. No, the machine we're here for, once this shuts itself down, is my first laptop ever. I did a lot of stuff with this, and I'm going to restore it back to its former state. But before we do that, there's my Power Mac. This is the side of my Power Mac. I realize I haven't even plugged it in yet. I have the charger right over here. Give me a second. So I literally haven't used this machine in years. Let's see what's on it. I'm in for just as much of a surprise as anyone watching this video. I can tell you right there that that wasn't happening last time I booted it up. Alright. Surprise me, Windows. You have used the system configuration utility to make changes to the way Windows starts. Alright. So what did I do? Did I change startup? I disabled Steam. That's all I did. Thank you? Ooh, Skype's on here. Why Skype on here? Let's, do a bit of exploration. Vscaler. LibreOffice 5.2. There's all the normal extras. Google Earth. Image burn. Java. K-Lite Codec Pack. Notepad++. TeamViewer 12. There's VLC. What version of VLC is this? Is this a new version of VLC? Or is this like old? Oh, that's old. That's old. Let's get about on that. 2.2.4. Oof. Skype, Steam. Yeah, I didn't have a ton on here, but I'm wondering what D-skip. Oh, was that for deinterlacing? Did I try and use this for deinterlacing at one point? Probably. That's probably what that was. Do I have anything in my media player library? I hit Media Center, but that works anyways. To hit that volume knob. Look how there's an actual knob. My music? Come on, don't disappoint me. I don't know whether this is actually... Oh. Okay, what the fuck is all... Okay, that's disappointing. Okay, no videos were found. Pictures? Oh, just the samples. No. Oh, did I hit help? I hit help. Thank you for help. Really appreciate that. That's just the samples. We got our At the Arch. That thing. We got the Blue Hills. There's nothing really interesting on this system. That's disappointing. Firefox tour. Yeah. I have zero problem with erasing this then. Wow. This has nothing on it. We have our good friend, the discs. We got our Toshiba restored discs. I don't know if you can tell what that is. You can't tell that's a fucking Toshiba restored disc. I'll take it. Is this the button? F12? Oh, do I have to hit F12 on here? Oh yeah, hit F12 on there. There we go. Is this disc 1 or just 2? I got disc 1 because I'm smart. Wow, that display is dirty. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's what happens to laptop displays when you have them for 13 years. Where? Ooh, Toshiba Recovery Wizard. Oh, yes. This is great. Wait, what are system recovery options? Ooh. What does options mean? I want to see what options means. Yes, I would like to know. Oh, fuck you. I got jebaited. This doesn't... This is just fixing systems. Close. Exit. Oh, there we go. Good. 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 I was about to freak out. I was about to freak out. Oh, warning! Oh, that's a whoa. Thank you for this warning. Yeah. Recover to out-of-box state. Recover to out-of-box state. Yes, I want to delete everything. I did not like that red error screen. Did not appreciate that. Toshiba, come on. Come on, Toshiba. You're better than this. Actually, you're not, but... I mean, Toshiba doesn't even exist anymore, actually. Well, Toshiba exists, but they don't make laptops anymore. I'm confusing myself. Dynabook. I guess it's Dynabook that I should be complaining to now. But also, Toshiba did this in 2008, so I really don't know who to complain to, actually. Is there anybody to complain to? Who knows? This is hell. That's what this is. This is hell. This is hell. This is hell. This is gonna take a while. Okay. Probably a lot. I mean, this is a brand new tape, but I don't know if I might end up using more tape than I think I am. I really hope I'm not. Oh my god, I need scissors. Fuck. Shit. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? I mean, okay, I'm installing from DVD, I don't know what I was expecting. And I don't even know how I would install otherwise. I don't exactly know how to put this video onto a USB drive. And yeah. So this is probably gonna take a while. Probably be very boring, but I think once we get into the system, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be kind of fun to explore around a bit. That is, if I don't have to install Wi-Fi drivers, because I know I'm going to have to, because the Wi-Fi drivers that come with the laptop, if I remember correctly, are absolute garbage and don't support modern encryption correctly, but updating the drivers fixes that. I'm going to insert that. Where'd the thing go? Oh, there's the sleeve. I should put it back in its sleeve because I'm a good person. I don't murder my discs. Don't murder your discs! Murdering discs is bad. I strongly discourage disc murder. I do not recommend the experience of being murdered as a disc either, though I wouldn't know the experience. I'm just guessing it's probably bad. It's probably not pleasant either. Yeah. I know the installation's not done or anything, but I just got shocked by a Cat 5e cable. This is definitely a first. I've got fucking static electric. Fucking hate. Static electricity. It's the worst thing ever. I don't recommend having static exist, but it's winter, so what are you going to expect? Other than I'm mad. I didn't want this experience. It was weird. But I got shocked by a Cat 5e cable. I don't know how many people can say that happened. It was probably like ground or something. Do those cables have a ground? I don't even remember. Why wouldn't they have a ground, right? Well, oh, of course, it's just the pairs. What the colors and stuff. I want what is okay, there we go. I do not see a ground. These do not have a ground. I really hope that so I guess that that would have gone straight into the data pins. Oh god. Oh no. I don't like that. I don't like the thought of that. Okay. It's time. Yes! It's Vista. We have Vista. We have Vista. Please wait while Windows sets up your computer. Thanks for setting up my computer, Windows. It's been so long since I've done anything with installing Vista. I think this might just be part of the OEM thing. Are you gonna get any OEM displays though? I want to get to the out-of-box experience. I guess this wasn't really in a box in the first place, but sure now. I like that term, how it's still around. Like, you always taught... Is it still around, actually? I don't even know. I just use it. I guess if you're opening a new laptop, that's technically an out-of-box experience, but if you're, like, installing software off of a disk, or maybe just a download, then that's not an out-of-box experience. The term out-of-box experience really is getting antiquated. Though it is the experience out of the box. It does have that going for it. Oh, that scared me. Wait, why is it welcome? Oh. Oh, it's an audit. What? That's in audit mode. Whoa. Oh, what? Checking for network connection. Oh shit, should I get it on the network? Fuck. Oh. See, it keeps saying this installation is complete, but in 2 seconds it's just gonna come back up with it. Okay, oh, okay. It actually meant it this time. Oh, what? Okay, well, I guess we're shutting down. I guess, okay, so I think I know the reason they do that. I think it's because this disk was shipped with multiple different types of PCs, so they can't just install the same Windows onto it. It has to do a bunch of different things first. Okay. That's what sense I'm making of it, so... Oh, that was a pretty fast boot. Well, of course it's gonna take 5 more years at the login screen. You hear it. You hear the thing. You hear the thing, Windows. There's the thing, I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it, I wanna look at it, I wanna look at the orb. I wanna look at the orb. Where's the orb? Why'd you remove the orb from Windows 7, Microsoft? I liked it. Like the orb. Orb. There we go. There we go. That's what we all needed. That's what we all needed today. Just a bit of Windows 7. Windows Vista orb. I'm sorry. I misidentified the entire operating system I was installing, apparently. Oh my god, is that Napster? Look at that! Oh, this is like fucking... Oh, this is like fucking late Napster. This is like late Napster when they tried to like change it into like an online music store instead of like a pirating thing. That's hilarious. Oh, that didn't age well. Pretty sure that died really quickly. ATI display driver. That's pretty important. I would like to have my ATI display driver. Command prompt. What are you doing for us today? What are you doing for us today? With the command line, with those short file names? I love my admin ~1 user. It's my favorite user of the computer. Display was an ATI Radeon X1250. Pretty sure that's just integrated graphics of the era, but obviously still way better than GMA, because if there's one thing about GMA, I don't even have to tell you the one thing about GMA actually. Intel GMA. It just sucked. It was just bad. Don't use Intel GMA. Just don't. People think Intel HD is bad. No, GMA was bad. GMA was bad. It was bad. So, and then we had even Intel Extreme graphics. That was that was the least extreme graphics I have ever seen. Intel's been always terrible with their integrated graphics. I really hope they get better with that. Their new graphics look pretty promising, actually. Actually, pretty low memory usage for Vista. 677 megabytes. And we have a bunch of stuff open for like the installation wizards. That's interesting. People always said Vista was really heavy. But that's lighter than Windows 7 even. At least, if I remember correctly. I think this machine is 3 gigabytes if I remember. Yeah, this machine is 3 gigabytes. So it's not even just like, it's not like, oh, we have 1 gigabyte of RAM and that's nothing. No, this machine is 3 gigabytes. It's plenty. Plenty of memory. Plenty of space to hold the memories. You know, what's it gonna say? What are we installing next? Oh, are we actually Oh, we're actually restarting the computer. Like how it keeps saying applying final configuration. This is gonna take a few reboots, isn't it? We've been through a few of these. I'm not gonna be able to upload this video tonight either, am I? I don't think I'm gonna be able to upload this video tonight. What do you want to install next? Are we done? Are we not done? Will we ever be done? This is a question that needs to be answered immediately. Or not immediately, you can also wait. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. I do not have a problem with that. I have all day. Actually, not all day, I have all night. Go on. I'm willing to lose sleep over this. What do you want? Synaptics pointing device driver, I see. We're installing some trackpads today. How much value does this package really add? And do you think it really adds any value? Or is it more like it has 15 billion more bloat programs on it? That's probably what it is. I wouldn't be surprised. I remember this laptop coming with so many random programs. So many. So many of them. They were just there. They never went away. There were like 10 billion. Oh, why isn't this done yet? I've been waiting so long. This is taking forever. I just want to have my laptop. Why? 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 No. Ruth, is this actually where it ends? Is it? Oh. I've never been more happy to see that screen. I've never been more happy to see that screen. Oh my god. The, like, automated shutdown. Oh. Are we done? Is this it? Is this it? Oh, do we have one more audit mode boot? Or is it done? Are we in the out-of-box experience? I would like to be in the Ubi. I would like to go through the Ubi. I would like to enter my username. I would like to be cool. I would like to have cool experience. Am I allowed to have cool experience? Am I allowed to Vista? Is that native resolution? looks super native. I might be wrong though. It's been a while since I've used this laptop. Let's go a bit closer. No, that's not native. That's 1024 by 768. Okay. I had hope. I still have hope, but I had hope. It's all gone now, though. All my hope is gone. All hope is lost. One more audit mode boot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Checking for network connection. Is this going to work? Is this it? Are we installing any more drivers, or are we going to... Or are we done? I hope we're done. I would like to be done. We're definitely in 1280 by 800 now. I'm definitely noticing. No weird aspect ratios. No stretchy bits. Ah! Right when I thought it was over, you come back to me with a DVD player. I don't even need your DVD player. I have all of the Windows Pro. Why do I need a DVD? Why do you need to install your DVD player? Is this bloatware number 15? Why couldn't you install it with the rest of the stupid bloat? I would have liked that instead. Come on. Come on. Come on, Toshiba. Come on. I'm disappointed. I mean, I expected this, but I'm still disappointed. Very disappointed. Ask for a user's guide. I kinda wanna look through the user's guide. That's a different screen. Is it? I don't even remember anymore. They all look the same. They all look exactly the same. Desktop link, what does that mean? What does this mean? Toshiba? Desktop link. Oh, I know what desktop links is. It's literally just websites on the desktop. That's literally what... There's no... It does nothing. It does nothing. It does nothing. It does nothing. Several minutes? More like it's been half an hour. It's been half a fucking hour. Come on. This is a lie. This is more than several. I think several means less than this. I think you can mean a lot of things by several. And this is not one of them. At least sysprep is working. That's preparing for the Ubi. I think we're almost done. I think I'm almost there. I hope I don't run out of tape before I get there. Oh no. Oh. That would be quite sad actually. I think we're getting somewhere. We'll see how this goes. Is this the final reboot? Is it the final reboot? Alright. There's only one way to find out. That froze for a second. I wonder why. Well, probably because it's doing out-of-box experience stuff now. Right? Is it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't get my hopes up here. I have one mission. I have one mission. I want Vista fully installed onto this machine. Exactly how it was from the factory. Yes! Holy shit! Oh, we're getting somewhere. Microsoft license terms. I accept. I totally read this. Alright. Chess is the best one. It's the best one in XP, it's the best one here. It's just the best. You can't tell me otherwise. Password hint is lol. I don't care. Is it the Windows background? Toshiba background? So we got the Windows ones. We got those ones. We got... Ooh, which Toshiba one should I use? Oh, this is a good question. I used the OEM one, right? I used the OEM. I used the OEM background. I think I'm going to use the red one. That looks cool. Looks cool. I'm going to use all the updates. We're going to have all the updates. It's going to be Eastern Time. It's definitely not January 2008. So we're going to go 2021. It is January 25th at 11:22 p.m. Thank you! Aw, you're welcome! Yeah, we're leading innovation! Toshiba. It begins. Oh, I'm gonna have to wait for... It doesn't quite begin yet. Oh. I keep being late to the Vista Orb thing. Because I'm literally editing on tape. So, I'm partially editing on tape. I'm going to also partially edit this on the computer, but part of this is edited on tape. So whatever I did on tape, it's just gonna be like that, and I can't do anything about it. Alright. Welcome to... This is sure gonna be interesting. First off, let's see. Let's go into that Wi-Fi. See if I can get anywhere with Wi-Fi. Alright. We're not currently connected to any networks. Connect to a network, please. Alright, are you gonna work, or are you gonna... Or are you gonna get mad at me? What's it gonna be? Do I have to... That never happens! That never works! There's gotta be a catch. It's gotta be like, what are you doing? Because it never works with the default drivers. The default drivers make it like really weird and not work. let's see what's up with the Welcome Center. Alright, so we got Turion X2, Turion 64X2, Mobile Technology TL60, 3 gigs of RAM, ATA Radeon X1250. Good to know. Obviously, I call the world on Skype. Ah, that's such an old Skype logo. What's new in Windows Vista? Is this gonna plop me on the internet? No. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. Yeah, this was before they just completely nerfed help. Oh, this is nice. This we got stuff like, alright, what do we got? Windows Media Center, searching and organizing, Windows Arrow, Sync, Security, Internet Explorer stuff, Windows Easy Transfer. I know that was a thing. They were really advertising that. Pictures, parental controls, mobile PC features, tablet features, networking, ease of access. Cool. Wasn't the button I wanted. Thank you. So, what do we need? Well, we definitely need to get off of Internet Explorer 7. Probably get IE 9 on here. This Wi-Fi driver is not going to work. I'm just going to say that. And I'm going to try once again to get Ethernet. Am I going to get anywhere with this? I think this cable's bad. I think that's my issue here. I think this cable's bad. This cable's just bad. Okay. Was worth a shot. Okay. I'm gonna have to get Wi-Fi drivers. But I have the perfect solution for this problem. Let me grab it real quick. The iPod video, because what else would you use for your USB device needs than your 80 gigabyte iPod video? I don't know, I just wanted an excuse to use this thing as a USB drive. Okay. Let's change this mouse to the default Vista one. How about we do that? Yes, to open my cool thing here. And I'm gonna do Wi-Fi. Thank you. Okay, I did a fucking stupid. I did it bad. I did it stupid. I did it. No, okay, so I thought I had paused the tape at one point, and then it. Oh, fucking hell! I just lost a lot of footage. I can go through things again. I was basically just going through like the multimedia stuff. I added the sidebar. That's cool. They did have some nice sample pictures though. I do love these sample pictures. I turn up this volume a bit. There we go. Yeah. I really like this dock one. I really like. This is my favorite one. The dock. I don't know why it's my favorite. I think I used to just always see it pop up in the sidebar. And I'd be like, yeah, dock! I don't fucking know. It's weird. Sea turtle. Pictures are cool. There's videos and there's music, but I don't know if I want to play those because YouTube might get mad at me and Thank you, very cool. YouTube. That wasn't YouTube. That was Windows Explorer. Let's open a Media Center. It's time for Media Center. I love Media Center. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, let's do that. So, I don't know how many people have noticed, but the Media Center in Vista and 7 are slightly different. Specifically in 7, the entire interface is shifted to the left, but in Vista it's a bit more like the XP one where the interface is in the middle. It's interesting, but I mean, other than that, they're almost identical, really. Like, no, there's definitely more. There's definitely more than that. I thought there was more sample music. Is there? Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's more. Why is there only one? Why do you only have one? What's the point of that? Windows Media Player. I also set up Windows Media Player. Oops. I did so much. And all of it was lost. And I forgot how to use things, apparently. If you do that, that's how you do things. You go add to library, and I save my personal folders, yes. And that's just going to save. Ooh, yes, more files. Or it should. See how there's only one? There's only one thing in there. It says files found 3 and then it froze. What version of Vista are we on? We're on Service Pack 1. There's our issue. We're on Service Pack 1. Ooh, I left the Toshiba phone number, alright. Does that phone number still work? And our support hours still 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Thank you for that, Toshiba. Oh, there we go. There's all our sample stuff. Yes. 32-bit operating system. I think this is a 64-bit processor, especially since it's a Turing 64, as in 64-bit, you know. So I don't know why they would put 32-bit Windows on here. Maybe it was a backwards compatibility thing. I don't know. Those graphics and wireless drivers were literally just the ones that came with the system, which is great, because that means they were useless, and I have to download the real ones that I need myself. Yeah, other than installing drivers and looking through all of our... Ooh, oh wow, that's a lot of software. Auto backup, Catalyst stuff, DVD Movie Factory, what is that? Extras and upgrades. Windows Marketplace, Napster. That I'd love to get into that, but I know that doesn't work. Picasso's an image viewer, I know that much. Toshiba, what do you want? CD and DVD applications. Disk here. No, that's just Toshiba. Oh, it's these! It's these, like, weird games that are, like, that used to come with all the fucking computers, and they would be, like, trials and shit. Does anybody remember those? Oh, we got some of those. That's sick. Windows Media Encoder. Yeah, let's look at the games, because I know the Vista games are actually kind of unique, because a lot of them that are in there aren't actually in the newer versions. So Bejeweled is obviously not a real Vista game. I know Inkball isn't in 7, but I don't even fucking know. I know Inkball. That's not how you play Inkball, guys. Exactly. Thank you. Thank you for telling me that. Yes, this is the riveting gameplay of Windows Vista. Yeah, so this is Inkball. Mostly used to demonstrate touch, right? Minesweeper, Purple Blaze, Dare, Chest Height. Hearts, that's all the standard stuff. I don't even think I could authenticate onto these. Let's figure it out. There's only one way. If this works, I'm gonna scream. I'm not actually gonna scream. I'm not gonna scream on camera. That would actually be a really bad idea. Don't do that. I don't plan to. This has gotten me nowhere. I've gotten nowhere with this. Okay. Thank you, Windows. Very cool. What's up with the gadgets? How many gadgets we got? What do we got in terms of those? I always get the standard stuff, basically. Shiba DVD player. User's guide. Software upgrades. Napster. Norton. Norton. Top 10 things that didn't age well. I think Norton was even bad back then, so I don't even play games. Oh, that took 5 years. I agree. Oh my god. Whoa! What? This is insane! That still works. Oh, wow. This is basically just a test, right? I don't know why it's taken 5 years. Oh. Yep, that's definitely Bejeweled. I'm going to turn you down. able to just do things? Where's my mouse? My mouse is there. Oh my god. Oh, I love that fucking voice. I was gonna do classic. Fucking hell, this is loud. Alright, I know how that shit works. It's bejeweled. I mean, I'm just surprised it works. I mean, because I remember these all being locked under servers, and I mean, if I want to use this again, I'm probably gonna have to go under those servers, right? But like the fact that it worked without those, that's impressive. Cool. You're not going online, I'm sorry. I think I'm done. I think I've gotten pretty much what I'm gonna get out of this. Thank you for watching. And I really appreciate anybody who's decided to watch this video. This is my first attempt at doing anything like this. At all, basically. I've been wanting to do computer videos forever, and I just never have. Never been able to. So, seeing as this is my first one, thank you. I will see you all in the next video, if there is one.